All right, today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing on this Thermomate ceramic cooker. It's a 21-inch ceramic cooker, and it is very well packaged in the box, I must say. So it is protected. This is a 2-burner ceramic cooker. Pretty straightforward. This connects to 220 voltage, so you have to get this thing wired in. It does not plug in. So this is a drop-in ceramic cooktop. All right, so for this video, really, I'm just going to be showing you visuals. I'm actually not going to be connecting anything, but as you can see, here's the power, the ground, the two powers in the ground, basically. All right, so, and here's a little insulation tape that you put around the edge when you drop it in. That's just for sealing purposes. The instructions, it shows you the voltage here. I believe it's 240, actually. And yeah, pretty straightforward little ceramic cooktop. This would be great in a little kitchen, or even, you know, an apartment or whatever, or even like a mobile cart. So there's a lot of things you can do with this. An outdoor kitchen, I mean, you know, the ideas are endless, really. But I've used Thermomate, and they're really great quality machineries.